Welcome to Marketing Minute. I'm Judy Neild, your marketing director. Today we're talking about mobile apps. Legacy Real Estate has developed not one, but two mobile apps to help you with your business. The first is a productivity CRM app, and the second is a lead generation tool for open houses, when we can do those again. Here's your crash course in mobile apps. Legacy Real Estate developed two agent mobile apps. You can find them in Google Play for Android and also download them from the App Store for your iTunes phone. They look like this: My Legacy CRM and Legacy Open House. The Agent Productivity CRM app, My Legacy CRM, just type this into the search browser and it will pop up. Click Get and it will download it to your screen. You will need your login and password to your iTunes account. The Legacy Open House is a lead generating app, open house app. And same thing, search for the app and then click Get to download it. Let's talk about the CRM, your Agent Productivity app. When you open the app, it looks like this. Log in with your KV Core login and password. That's your Legacy email address and your password. Then click Allow to allow for notifications and click No. Text me also. This way you get text notifications and push alerts from the mobile app. The mobile app is a replicated version of your KV Core platform. Your contacts are already built in. Your listings, MLSs, you're able to search all listings. And you can use the auto dialer to call your contacts. There's also a task section that you can add additional details in. Click the three lines for more options and to switch to the web version. In the Open House lead generating app, log in again with your KV Core login and password. Type in an address or MLS ID, then click Start. Confirm that this is the property that you want to promote in an open house. Click Confirm. On this page, it's going to ask what you want your display page to look like. The first is what kind of contact information do you want from the client? Name and email address are required, but you can toggle phone number on and off. Remember, don't use the legacy phone number when you're testing this program. You can also toggle on for agents who are clients who may be working with an agent, or where did they hear about their open house. Then click Next. On the next tab, you can select what you want to showcase on this page. Listing price, bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage. Just toggle each one to turn them on, then click Next. You can add a hashtag. This means that anybody who goes to your open house and submits a form will automatically be put into its own group, aka a hashtag. You can type the name and click Add Hashtag, and it'll appear right underneath as a new hashtag. Then click Preview and Launch. It's going to ask you for a 4-digit code. You can make it up and then confirm PIN code to launch. And then launch. This is what the lead generating app looks like. It has a beautiful welcome page with property information. The clients can enter their first name, last name, email address, if they're working with an agent, and where did they hear about the open house. Remember, if you're testing out the system, don't use your legacy information. This is all geared for a client. So once they type in the information and click Submit, they get a nice thank you visit from you. Instantly, that contact record is populated into my CRM system. I can click on the prospect lead and see additional information in my timeline. I can also run a validation report to see what type of information is pulled from that email address. Also, I can click the auto dialer. This auto dialer will have, if I put a hashtag in, allow me to call them on the spot. So I did. And guess what? It worked. Called my client right away. After the call finished, it's going to prompt you to say what happened. Did you contact them? Were they not home? Is it a bad number? And you can report that. Also, you can add a note, schedule a call them tomorrow, create another task, send a text message, or send an email. With either of these two bottom options, it gives you a series of auto-populated text messages. It's so many. There's so many, and it's quick to look at. You can click them, decide if you want it, and move forward. When you've selected the ones you want, just click Finish Call. But let's take you through what the text message looks like. Here's one example. So I selected Send a Text Message, and I selected the one that says, "Thanks for requesting property info in our site. Just curious, are you actively searching for a property or just browsing right now? Sincerely, Judy." Well, this is what happened on the other end. So on my phone as an agent, I got a notification back when they replied, actively searching. I got a text message from my lead and a push notification from the app. In the text message, I tried to reply, hey, which time works better for you? But I got a notification back from KV Core that says, no, don't do that. You do not respond to the text alert. You need to respond in the app. So you reopen up your CRM app, and which is this link here, and you can just reply back to it and send the link. This is what it looks like in an email version. So when I selected the email template, this one was very similar. Are you looking to buy soon? It sent this contact information to my client. The client said, yes, looking to buy soon, and it was sent to me as the agent, and the agent responded and the client received it, all within minutes. In the Agent Productivity Platform, it tracked every single step of the way. When I sent the text message, the note that was added, the email that was sent, and even how long the call was when we spoke on the phone. Also, if you're in the app and you get notifications, it pops in a text notification alert as well as a push notification. So you're always staying in touch with what's going on with your clients. You're going to love it so much, you're going to want to RainKit and review it. Positive 5-star reviews through the iStore and Google Play. So this is the quick crash course on the mobile apps. Remember, if you're testing out this program yourself, do not use your cell phone number. Use a friend's or a spouse or a child's phone number so that you can see how the program works. It was fast, easy, and I know you're going to love it. If you have any questions, email marketing@legacyrea.com or search the support portal or learning portal for more information about our legacy real estate developed apps.